In this video, you'll learn how to create a login form in Webflow. Following these steps will guide you through the process of setting up a site and implementing the login functionality. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow URL. Once the page loads, you should see your workspace overview, which includes your existing sites and options to create new ones. Next, locate the button labeled New Site on the dashboard. This option is typically positioned prominently on the screen. Click on it to initiate the process of creating a new site. After this action, a new screen will appear, allowing you to select a site building option. After that, find and click on the option that says AI Site Builder. This feature utilizes artificial intelligence to streamline the site creation process. Once selected, you will be directed to a new interface where you can describe your site. Click on the input field that prompts you to describe your site. This area is where you will provide information about the nature of your login form. Enter the phrase, create a login form into this field to specify your intention for the site. Confirm that your input is correct before proceeding. Once you have typed the description, click on the enter button to submit your input. This action will trigger the next step in the site creation process. You should see a loading indicator as the system processes your request. Following this, you will be prompted to click on Structure Your Site. This option will allow you to organize the components that will be part of your new site. Make sure to review the options presented to ensure your site structure aligns with your login form requirements. Next, select the button that says Generate Site. This action will initiate the creation of your new site based on the description you provided. A confirmation message should appear indicating that the site generation is underway. After that, you will receive a message suggesting to generate more themes. This is an option to explore additional design templates that could enhance your login form's appearance. You can choose to explore this or proceed with your current selections. Now, you may see a message that says customize your design. This option allows you to modify the design elements of your site further. Take time to adjust the aesthetic aspects to suit your branding or personal preferences. Finally, wait for the site generation process to complete. You may see a loading screen indicating that the system is working on your request. Once it is finished, you will receive a final confirmation that your login form site. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon